It's about 8 o'clock here. Skies have opened up here. Okay. From what I'm hearing on the radio, the country radio here, the coal radio here, this has been a long time coming. It's been dry here, or it's been, scattered here. So, and they've been, Woody Johnson, the head DJ on the country radio station here, has been complaining about the lack of rain and how it's kind of screwed up the farmers here in Ohio. We got the Outlaw Festival coming here in a week or two with Willie Nelson. Don't know if this will do any good. But it sure is coming down Texas style. I remember I was in Dallas, just outside the city, when a rain started. And, rain in Texas, the raindrops are in buckets. They're not in drops. And I learned that in Houston. Anyways, I think I was outside of Dallas, and a rainstorm started. And I wasn't in a shelter at the time. Some pavilion or ramada. I was in a slot alongside some parking lot. Outside of Dallas, and the rain started, and I started to head towards the parking lot. It was a weekend or something, and it was empty, and I just, being a vet, I wasn't going to go there and outside of Dallas. So, but I headed there because I knew about, I learned about rains in Texas. So I headed there, and I didn't get like a foot out of my squat that the transformer, that was like right, it was like right next to the parking lot, blew up. It just exploded when a lightning strike hit it. And I'm like, whoa! See, it's... And here's the moral of the story, kids. I don't know, what power the transformer had in, like, the neighborhood and their community there. I don't know. I don't care, really. But I do know that the parking lights in the parking lot structure, 3-story structure, went out. And I'm thinking, oh my God, we're going to have repairmen here in no time here, outside of Dallas to clean up this, this parking lot outside of Dallas with no lights on. And no sooner had I thought that than I heard a whir, and the generator lights came on. And all the people, which there were none, and all the cars, which there were none, were now able to see in the dark of the 3-story parking lot. You know, I was like, hey, priorities, you know. Here in Columbus, with the rhythm of the rain.